Hey guys, this is Krishna, just coming back with a new video here. Like I promised, what we're gonna see today on Davinci Resolve is gonna be beans. We're gonna have two that we're gonna see. It's gonna be the smart beans and the power beans, and those two are really gonna help you to organize your work. So let's start with the smart bins. So we're gonna be here. I do have some footages on my desktop there. Let me just drag and drop it. I already actually made a video where I went through them fairly quickly, but over here I have my footages. Actually, I don't need that anymore. And what we're gonna do here is we have our smart bins here, and the way we set it up, let me just go here. Let me just go here and actually set up. So I'm gonna go here and I'm going to say add smart bin. I'm gonna need the smart bin, and the smart bin will, let's say over here we have different footages, and let's say for our example we could either as we're going through our footages, if you want to categorize in one place all footages that include this girl here, or all footages that include this balloon here, this is how we'll do it. So let's go with the balloon in our example. So I'm just gonna come here and type balloon, right? And over here I'm going through and setting up what the smart bin is actually gonna look for in our footages to include the footage in the bin. So you have two ways. I mean, the ways that are pretty much, I mean, that are gonna be really you're gonna use a lot would be to look for the footage as for the file name or maybe the keyword, but you have different ways to do it, right? You have a lot of ways that you can set up the logic here, but like I mentioned all the time, it's probably going to be based on the file name and maybe the keyword as well. So in our case here, because some of those file names are just really random, let's go with keywords. So let me just come here, and I believe keywords would be in media pool properties, yeah, over here, right? And over here we have some other logic as well that we can set up. But let's say in our case here that we're going to say that the keyword that it needs to have for that footage to be included in our smart bin here is to have the balloon keywords like we have here, right? But you can add definitely several other logic here, but in our case this is going to be the one. So we come back here, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to come here in the metadata, right? And I'm just going to add this keyword over here. And as soon as I add it here, what it does is it gets included here automatically for us. So we don't need to do anything else, right? So that saves you a lot of time instead of you creating different folders here and different bins and drag and dropping them. If you want to have those footages in one place, this is how you do it. And you will see here, if I add again this one over here really quickly and I come back here, it gets added again and you get the drift, right? So for our last case here, if I do that again, it's gonna be the same. It's gonna be the same thing. It's gonna add it. It's gonna add it here as well. And we could do that with different logic, whether it does contain that keyword or not contain, and all those different things, right? So this is good. This is smart bins. The other thing that I want to discuss with you is actually the power bin. So power bin, you would use it if you have some footages that you're gonna be maybe audio footages and graphics as well that you're gonna be reusing in different projects, right? So first, what we need to do is make it available for us here, and it's gonna be in over here. It's gonna be in show power bins, and right now I don't have any really power bins really set up, right? But let's say that I want to have maybe I don't have a logo here, but let's say that in all my work I want to have footages of those animals here. I can come here. I could include it in the master, but let's say we including that in a folder here, a bin that is animal. So I'm just gonna come here and I'm actually gonna drag and drop that just like that. drag and drop that. And it seems like nothing really happened, but when I come here to animals now, you're gonna see that we have it available here. What's gonna happen now, let's say I go and I create another new project, right? This one I haven't saved, but let me save this one. Let me just save this one. I'm gonna say just beans, power, and smart bin and smart, right? So I just save this, okay, and I'm gonna go and I'm actually gonna create a new project, just entitled project, and you're gonna see on my entitled project the smart bins have disappeared, but I have access to my power bins here with all the different footages that I did drag and drop. So like I mentioned, it's gonna be available for anything. It works in a database, so it saved it in the database, and every project that you have in that database, those power bins are going to be available in there. It's going to be different if you create a new database. It's not going to know that, it's not going to link those two. So if you create the power bins in one database for any other project that you're working on that I probably already worked on before, if I go back to it, for example, if I go back to this one, you're gonna see that I have it here as well available. So those are the power bins and the smart bins that I wanted to show you guys. I hope this is helpful, and again, if I have another one, another video that I wanna share with you, I will do that probably in the next couple of days here. Okay, thank you, bye. Leave a comment, destroy the like button, and go soft on the thumbs down there. Okay, talk to you soon, bye.